welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan, and today I decided to create this makeup look for my 5th Valentine's Day makeup look out of 7. If you want to see how I create this makeup look, then just keep watching. I'm starting with my foundation, and today I decided to use the NYX Bear With Me foundation in the shade Natural Soft Beige, and that's what it looks like. And now I'm using this 24-hour MAC Studio Fix Concealer right underneath my eyes and on my pimples because I've had like so many breakouts lately, you guys. Next I'm using this blush palette by Makeup Revolution. Oh my gosh. And there's not only blush in here, but there's also highlighter and like bronzing shade, shimmery ones and the matte one. And I might just use this matte one right here. I will be using this shade as a blush and this shade right here is a highlighter. Next we are finally doing the eyes, and you guys know that it's my favorite part of the whole makeup look. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Soft X Collaboration palette, and these are the shades. And I think all of them are super pretty, so let's jump into this gorgeous palette. So I'm starting with this shade right here. Next I'm jumping into this gorgeous orange. So this is more of like a peachy orange, and I love the pigmentation a lot for its price. Like the whole palette costs like 12 euro or 13 or something. It's such an amazing good price. So now I dipped into the transition shade again and just blend that in. Underneath my eyes I'm using this coral pink right here. So now I'm using the Wow Wings mascara by Manhattan. One of the last steps is my lipstick, and I'm using the Lolita 2 lipstick by Kat Von D, and this one is so pretty, and I think it matches this look. The last step is, as always, the fixing mist, and I'm using the Dream Satin Mist by Maybelline. And that's it. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.